If you're wondering how to change your TikTok region or country location, you're in the right place. Whether it's to access region specific content or get recommendation from a different country, today I'm going to show you exactly how to make that change. The first method is through the TikTok settings. Here's how to do it. Open the TikTok app on your phone. Go to your profile by tapping the Me icon and tap the three lines in the top right corner to select Settings and Privacy menu. Scroll down and find Content Preferences. Here you can add preferred languages and set region preferences by selecting the regions you want to see content from. By adding a language, and selecting a country region that matches the content you want, TikTok will start showing you more content related to that region. If you don't find that option, you may need to update your TikTok account. Now if you want a more direct way to change your TikTok region, you can use a VPN. A VPN allows you to change your IP address. Open App Store or Google Play Store and simply download a VPN. Once you've downloaded it, open the VPN app and connect to the server in the country you want your TikTok region to reflect. Keep in mind that using a VPN can also impact your connection speed, so you might experience slightly slower load times, especially when using video heavy apps like TikTok. Another method is by creating a new account with a country specific phone number or email address. And that's it. This is how you simply change your region or country location in TikTok.